Today, we're checking into a hotel. I'll do the talking, you do the shadowing. Speak with me.
I walk to the front desk. I walk to the front desk. I put my bag on the reception desk. I put my bag on the reception desk. I show my passport. I show my passport. I sign the registration form. I sign the registration form. I take the key card. I take the key card. I grab my suitcase. I grab my suitcase. I press the elevator button. I press the elevator button. I press the floor button. I press the floor button. I look at my room number. I look at my room number. I tap the key card on the door lock. I tap the key card on the door lock. I push the door handle down. I push the door handle down. I turn on the room lights. I turn on the room lights. I put my suitcase on the luggage rack. I put my suitcase on the luggage rack. I open the heavy curtains. I open the heavy curtains. I touch the soft bed. I touch the soft bed. I press a button on the remote. I press a button on the remote. I pull the minibar door open. I pull the minibar door open. I grab a cold bottle of water. I grab a cold bottle of water. I open the bathroom door. I open the bathroom door. I pick up a clean white towel. I pick up a clean white towel. I pull a shirt from my bag. I pull a shirt from my bag. I put my clothes on a hanger. I put my clothes on a hanger. I pick up the room phone. I pick up the room phone. I look at the room service menu. I look at the room service menu. I order room service. I order room service.
Oh, room service is here. You did amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.